To all new customers who have recently subscribed to ReSupply, welcome! My name is Shim and I will be your guide. After this tutorial, you will have a better understanding of the ReSupply system. ReSupply has 3 different platforms: the donor app or website, the charity portal, and the driver's app. You, as the organization, will interface with the charity portal and driver's app. All platforms work together to improve the donors and your experience. First, I will start off with the most important platform, the charity portal. The next few YouTube tutorials provide detailed instructions for how to navigate the portal, but at this point, I will give you a brief overview. The charity portal will most likely be used by the store manager or scheduler. The portal helps with scheduling pickups. It has a set number of pickups to prevent overbooking. You can either manually add a donation to the calendar or accept donation requests on the portal. It also has a donor database to keep track of all your customers as well as historical records for completed donations. You can also customize a tax receipt that would be automatically sent to your customers' email addresses or phones after a pickup is complete. And last but not least, the portal helps you save time. No longer will you have to call a donor back 3 or 4 times to schedule or reschedule pickups. You can edit and confirm donation requests easily with a click of a button. Next is the driver's app. The app will be used by the driver on his smartphone or tablet while he is on the road picking up donation requests. The following tutorial has more in-depth instructions on how to use the driver's app, but I will give you a brief overview now. The app allows the driver to see the donations that need to be picked up each day up to a week out. That way, the driver is able to anticipate his schedule before coming to work. The driver also has access to the pictures of the donation items. This ensures that he or she knows which items to pick up and what condition they are in. The mapping tool optimizes the route to help you save on gas and time. The picture on the bottom left shows 3 optimized routes. And lastly, after each pickup, if anything did not go according to plan, the driver can file a report that can be pulled later in the future. So, how do donors make pickup requests? Most stores get requests over the phone. This is not a problem at all. The charity portal lets you easily add a donation request manually. As an alternative to calling, donors can also use the donor app and the donation webflow online. Customers can submit donation requests by downloading the app on their Android or iOS device, which is useful for recurring donors. To download the app, search ReSupply on the App Store or Google Play. The donor can search the zip code to find a list of local organizations, such as yours, as seen in the picture on the left. Another way to get donors to submit pickup requests is to use the donation webflow. You can link the donation webflow to your organization's website using a floating button, or you can post the link on your Facebook page. Here is an example of what the floating button looks like on a partner organization. I, as a donor, would click on the button, which would take me to the webflow. I can see what items the organization does not take, as well as priority items, such as furniture. You can change these items in the charity portal, which we will go over in the following video. The donor can also add photos, which you, as a charity, can review to make sure it is an item you want. The link on the Facebook page also sends the donor to the same webflow. The app and webflow are useful for broadening your customer base and reaching younger donors. To add the floating button to your website or to get a link to the webflow, contact your customer success manager today. Now that we covered the functions of each platform, how does the information feed into each other? Starting with the donor app, once a donor submits a pickup request, That request is automatically populated on the charity portal for the store manager to view and either accept or reject. Once the store manager accepts the request and assigns a truck to it for pickup, that information feeds into the driver's app, where the driver can view it. Ultimately, the charity portal is the main hub that the other platforms feed into. The charity portal allows you to easily manage your donation requests, scheduling, and pickups. Continue to video 2 to learn how to set up your charity portal account.